LazyBear's WaveTrend Oscillator is a robust momentum indicator designed to identify potential reversals and market momentum shifts clearly and effectively. This oscillator uniquely combines price momentum with volatility analysis to provide traders with precise signals on possible trend reversals or continuations. At its core, the WaveTrend Oscillator measures the price's position within a dynamically adjusting channel created by exponential moving averages. When the oscillator line, which is marked in green, moves into the upper region, it signals bullish market conditions. Conversely, movement into the lower region indicates bearish market conditions. Furthermore, the primary line reflects immediate market momentum, whereas the secondary, smoothed one, provides a clearer trend indication. Crossovers between these two serve as particularly strong signals. A bullish crossover, where the primary line rises above the secondary, typically signals potential upward price movement, while a bearish crossover indicates downward momentum. The WaveTrend Oscillator also features clearly marked threshold levels to highlight significant overbought or oversold conditions. Traders typically watch for the oscillator's lines approaching or crossing these critical levels as reliable triggers for trade entries or exits. To further improve signal accuracy, traders frequently combine the WaveTrend Oscillator with complementary indicators such as the RSI, MACD, or Bollinger Bands. This approach helps validate signals and significantly reduces false entries, particularly in volatile or uncertain market conditions. Traders can customize the WaveTrend Oscillator's settings based on their trading style. Short-term traders may prefer shorter channel lengths for quicker signals, while swing traders and investors might select longer periods to capture broader market moves. Advanced traders often apply additional signal filtering techniques, such as price action patterns or divergence identification, to enhance the reliability of oscillator signals. These strategies help traders refine entry and exit points further, increasing overall effectiveness. Despite its strengths, the WaveTrend Oscillator has limitations. During extended trending markets, it can remain in overbought or oversold regions for extended periods, leading to potential premature or delayed signals. Furthermore, in sideways or low volatility markets, the oscillator may generate less reliable signals. Traders must remain aware of these limitations and incorporate supplementary analysis tools to ensure well-rounded decision-making. Overall, LazyBear's WaveTrend Oscillator provides traders with actionable insights into momentum and volatility, making it an invaluable component of comprehensive trading strategies across various market conditions.